Hello everyone. Once again welcome in self-transformation series of today, that is 1st of August 2020. Yes, my dear friends, today the topic which we have selected for us transformation is celebrate the transformation ceremony. Yes, we all are here for the transformation series. But have we celebrated this ceremony? This is an important ceremony. Why it is important? Because here we are transforming ourselves. And as we have seen or heard and even read, that whenever anything transforms, whenever anything changes, the ceremony is there. So today, the topic which we are taking up for our series is celebrate the transformation ceremony. Yes, so what is this ceremony about? See, my dear friends, since past 2 months, we have been connected with this series of self-transformation. Why we are daily getting the thought, why we are daily working on that same thought, and then we are imbibing it in our behavior. The reason is that we are becoming the real diamonds. Like the diamond, we are spreading the sparkles of our vibrations to the world. And that is a purpose, that is the reason of transformation. The big reason of transformation lies here, my dear friends, that we have to transform ourselves to become the real diamond. And real diamond, once we are, then that light, that sparkle will definitely reach to each and everyone who is connected with us. It will reach to our family members, to our friends, to the environment, and to everyone. So this is the purpose of our transformation, to become a real diamond. The second thing here comes is that in this transformation, the ceremony, we have to fix the date. Yes, the date of ceremony is also very, very important. So transformation ceremony date is the date when we have started our process. Whenever you have started hearing to this series was a date of celebration or transformation. Because that first day we have decided to change ourselves, and that was the date of our celebration. Because from that day to till date, we are changing, we are working on ourselves. So now, what to do in this celebration? So the main thing here is that no matter what circumstances come, no matter how Mahavir form of Maya or any negativity comes in front of me, but I won't be disturbed. But I will not let go my principles. The principles which says that nothing will happen to me. The principle which says that these things will definitely going to come and disturb my mind. But how I have to control myself is in my hand. Do not take back your thoughts into useless things. That is the thing which I will keep in mind. Never ever be elevated towards these things. Be an elevated actor with the powerful form of elevated self-respect, self-awareness, self-life consciousness, that I have to play the game of this life in a very, very better way. I have to finish off all my weaknesses in this game and move ahead. I have to be more and more determined. I have to work with determination that I will do all my sacrifices in this ceremony of celebration. Sacrifices of all my vices and sacrifices of all my negativity or all the forms of things which are disturbing me. So as a yodha, as a great soldier, I am going to fight with it. So this is the way we are here to celebrate our ceremony. We are here to celebrate a ceremony wherein we are fighting, not physically but mentally, on a level of thoughts and changing our own thoughts. Our fight is with ourselves only. Here in this journey of self-transformation, we are not fighting with others. We are not fighting with others' behaviors, nature, or something else. We are just fighting with our own sanskars, our negative traits, our negative qualities. And that's the reason we are moving ahead. So the celebration has started. wherein we are becoming a real diamond, wherein I am working on myself. And this happiness, this peace, that yes, the change lie within me only, not on others. The change of changing my thoughts is the core purpose of my life. All these thoughts are there which will help me to move ahead in this world. So, my dear friends, sparkle this light of yours to others. Just focus on yourself, change yourself, and gradually that change will be observed to others. And the best thing in this series is that there is a celebration which is going on throughout the day and throughout the days to come, that I am happy, I am transforming, I am doing for myself, not for others. Otherwise, at times we used to change ourselves for others, or others force us to say that you should do this, you should not speak like this, you should not perform like this. So, and for others I used to change, but since that change was gradually coming from others, it's not from me inside, that's why it is not affecting me. So, my dear friends, in this series of today, enjoy your celebration of transformation, of celebration of transformation ceremony with yourself. Enjoy that I am away from all the negative thoughts. Enjoy that I am little bit different from others as I am working on myself. Enjoy that I am the real diamond, the real sparkles coming from me and spreading in this world. So, my dear friends, when we are with this thought process, when we are imbibed with this, then the things will be really, really easy and effective. So go ahead and enjoy your celebration day today. Thank you.